This is March 15th, Thursday. Just installed two 3-pound packages of bees. And they're getting settled. You can't shake all the bees out, so I've set the tops up and put the boxes on them. You can see on the furthest hive they're walking up the board into the hive. It's nice to have an active bee yard again. Also have this nuke here, which is doing fine. Started a queen in that about 3 weeks ago. She's laying. And on the far side, I have my strong hive on the right and a weak hive on the left. So right now we've got 5.